Alright, so it's about 5 o'clock or a little bit before. We ditched our bags and the financial manager has bombed out. Her torn ACL is killing her. Okay, I don't think it's going to be wet today. It looks pretty dry.
No, it says okay.
Anyway, we are scouting some of the area and seeing what's around. My apprentice spotted this bridge here. I want to check that out. My feet are killing me after this trip so far, but we're going to try anyway. I've been saying I need some exercise. Oh, I don't need plantar fasciitis either, but still, we're going to try. Well, there's a lot of love locks along here, but I happen to have a set of love locks with me. There you go. So as I said, I happen to have a set of lockpicks with me. Maybe we could pull a few of these off here. Some of these probably come off very easily. Oh, those ones come off super easy. I can tell you how to get them off.
Oh,
Okay, so we've got 3 locks off so far. This one is a master lock, and we managed to lift the pins past the shear line and unlock it, but it's so rusted on there that the shank won't move. But yeah, that was an interesting one. Master locks, don't buy them, they're junk.
Yeah.
Food acquired. The apprentice is not going to wait till we get back to eat it, although I highly recommend she should. But that's a kid's burger. That looks pretty good. I like the look of that. Alright, second round of fish and chips, and ooh, that looks like a nice crispy chicken burger. Cool, and some flake and chips. Let's try these. These aren't too bad.